Hi, my name is Rhiannon. I am 42 years old. I've been in the industry for over 25 years, and I'm slowly getting aged out of my own profession. That leaves me with a lot of time to talk to you about some of the technical issues that I have a problem with. One of them being bidirectional search engines. So I believe that AI has brought us a lot of quote-unquote technology. One of them is existing as an on-demand templating engine. Part of our genius in the past, prior to AI, was being able to create templates, or being able to write an article, or being able to put it in the standard format. Now, AI can do that for you. It's also the first bidirectional search engine. In the past, when you wanted to search for information, you queried it, and it used literal search strings and various other factors to categorize your search query in a sorted list. Now, it uses on-demand templating engines to run your query in parallel, thus getting the data you've requested quickly. Seems like magic, doesn't it? But in addition to that, any additional questions you have, any additional conversations you have with the chatbot, any additional information you provide or tweaks that you make are silently being recorded on the back end. Thus, while you query, your information is being used to improve artificial intelligence. This seems like it would be a good standard. However, I can see problems with access. Who gets access to the full kit and caboodle of our data queries? Is that a paid feature? Are we once again allowing a billionaire's second son to achieve glory through our own work for free? I hate AI.